Now class, in this video we will learn about some conversions using decimal. So first question is, convert 586 paisa into rupees using decimal. Now we know 1 rupee में कितने पैसा होते हैं? 100 पैसा. So 1 paisa में how many rupees are there? 1/100 rupees. So in 586 paisa, how many rupees? Multiply this unit by this 586 into 1/100 rupees. We will write it like this. Now see, whenever you have 0 in the denominator, put the decimal equal to the number of zeros from the back side. यहाँ पर 2 zeros हैं. So from the back side 2 places को छोड़ के here put a decimal. It will be the 5 rupees 86 paisa. Another example, 368 paisa. 368 paisa, and we have to convert it into the rupee. So 1 paisa equals to 1/100 rupee. So 368 paisa will be 368 into 1/100. Now how many zeros are there? 2. Put the decimal 2 place behind from the backwards. पीछे से 2 places छोड़ के 0 point put करेंगे. 1 2 here. 3 rupees 68 paisa. Now class, students, here we have to convert 28 paisa in the rupees. Now first write 1 paisa equals to 1/100 rupees. Now multiply this with this unit, 28 into 1/100. It will be 28/100. Now class see, how many zeros are here? 2. तो इस ऊपर 2 places छोड़ के point लगाएंगे. 1 2. We will put the point here. Now before decimal we do not have any digits, so we will put 0 by ourselves. This is the answer. See another example. 51 paisa को you have to change in the rupees. First we know 1 paisa equals to 1/100 rupees. So 51 paisa will be 51 into, whenever you have to convert paisa into rupees, multiply by 1/100. It will be 51/100. Now here where we have to put the decimal, 2 place from the back side, 1 2. We will put the decimal here. Now before decimal we do not have any digit, so we will put 0 by ourselves. It will be 0.051. Here you have to convert 5 paisa in the rupees. So we know 1 paisa equals to 1/100 rupees. So 5 paisa will be 5 into 1/100 rupees, and it will be 5/100. Now how many zeros are here? 2. So we will put point before 2 digit. 1. Now second digit तो है ही नहीं. We will put 0 by ourselves. Now here is the point. पीछे से 2 digit पहले point put कर दिया, and here 0. This is the answer. Question is 6 rupees 59 paisa. You have to convert this into rupees. So see here, this 6 rupees is already in the rupees. You only have to convert 59 paisa. 1 paisa equals to 1/100 rupees. So 59 paisa will be 59 into 1/100. It will be 59/100. 100. क्या करेंगे, वी विल पुट 2 0 पॉइंट बिफोर द 2 डिजिट, क्योंकि नीचे 2 ज़ीरो हैं. इट विल बी 0.5 rupees. Now we already have 6 rupees and this we got in rupees, so add these two. 6 rupees plus 0.59 rupees, so you will get 6.59 rupees, and this is the students. Here you have to convert 60 gram into kg. 60 grams को kg में convert करना है. Now we know 1 kg equals to 1000 grams, बट यहाँ पर उल्टा करना है, ग्राम्स को kg में करना है. So we should know 1 gram equals to 1/1000 kg. So 60 grams में कितना होगा, 1/1000 into 60. 10 से 10 कट, 6/100. So put decimal 2 digit from the back side. पीछे की साइड से 2 डिजिट पहले डेसिमल पुट करेंगे. So this is 1 digit. Now second digit is not given, so we will write 0 by ourselves. It is 6. अभी भी इसकी वैल्यू 6 है. 1 2. We will put the point here. So this will be 0.06 kg.